Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay for convenient transactions. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone and tap the plus sign to add a new card. You will need to follow the on-screen prompts to scan your card or enter details manually. Your bank will then perform a quick verification to ensure your card is secure and legitimate. Finally, make sure your device has Face ID, Touch ID, or a passcode set up, as this is crucial for authorizing payments. To make an in-store payment, simply double-click the side button on your iPhone. This will bring up your default card. You'll then need to authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or by entering your passcode. Once authenticated, hold the top of your iPhone or Apple Watch near the contactless payment reader. A gentle vibration and a checkmark on your screen will confirm the payment was successful, usually within 1 or 2 seconds. Using Apple Pay for online and in-app purchases is incredibly simple. When you reach the checkout page, look for the Apple Pay button. Tap it, and your device will present the payment details. You'll then confirm the purchase using your Face ID, Touch ID, or device passcode. This method eliminates the need to manually enter your card number, expiration date, and security code, making your online shopping experience much faster and more secure. Apple Pay prioritizes your security by using a unique, encrypted device account number for each transaction, a process known as tokenization. This means your actual card number is never stored on your device or shared with the merchant, significantly reducing the risk of fraud. It offers a convenient way to pay, allowing you to leave your physical wallet at home while ensuring your financial information remains private and protected.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.